So today we came to this beautiful spot in Kirkkonummi. You can say that we are out here in the archipelago. Let's go and have a look what we can find from this beautiful spot. This is a beautiful spot. There's a lot of nice spots here to fish. We just talked with a old fisherman, and he had a lot of fish that he caught today. We have to come here later on. Let's continue. Yeah, this is a nice spot for fishing. And apparently my son already has something. We've been here like for 1 minute, so it looks good. Beautiful spot. So now we are on this small island in the archipelago, and I thought I would go and have a look at this. It looks pretty steep, so I would like to go up there, and as you can see, these trees have fallen here. Big trees, and they, to my understanding, they are just keeping these natural. So I want to go and have a look up there. It's pretty steep. Let's go and have a look what we'll find, and especially the scenery I'm curious about. Wow, very nice scenery. Yeah, let's see. Some really cool places and spots. And she is enjoying this again. It's pretty steep, as you can hear from my breath. Oh, opa, wow. I wonder if you can spot the sea up there. I think so. Looks beautiful. Really nice. Oh, or is it just you can see wow, that I call a view. What a view. That is a beautiful view. You can see glimpses of the sea, but otherwise just forest and no people. You can hear the Finnish defense forces in the background. This is close to base, but then again we are only 40 minutes, 30 minutes drive from the capital of Finland. So let's continue. That was a beautiful spot. If I can get down to the shore again. We're kind of up on a hill. It's really, we're high up here. I'm expecting us to soon see even more beautiful spots. The dog, she's so happy about this. Get out in the wild. But yeah, there's a lot of people here, I believe. You can see these paths. So let's see how we can find a path down there. By the way, during the fall, like it's November now, November the 6th, and these rocks are really slippery, so you have to watch out when you're walking here that you don't hurt yourself. It's nice. Really think this is nice. Very beautiful. We found this nice spot to have a break, and yeah, we're just chilling here for a while. Very relaxing spot, this one. Nice view. And the dog loves it too. beautiful spot. It's a bit windy here, as you can see. It's very nice Sunday, enjoying the outdoors, the Finnish nature, beautiful. Yeah. It's pretty cold. The wind makes it much more colder than it actually is, and you really don't want to get into the water. But a nice trip. Time well spent outdoors. Listen to the silence. There's no one here. Only the wind and water, sound of sea.